In this quick video, I want to show you how to do a full factory reset on any GE electric oven. It's fairly simple to do, and it doesn't matter what model that you have. Now, this particular one is a pretty standard GE model. Now, if it has a reset button, you can usually find it on the control panel, but most of them do not have a reset button. They might have a lock button, and what you could do is hold down the lock button for 20 seconds, but most GEs do not have it. So what can you do with 100% of all GE model electric ovens to reset it? You basically go to the control panel in your house. Of course, if you could unplug it from the wall, that would be ideal, but of course, how many people are going to want to take their oven out of the wall and then unplug it? So what you do is you go to the control panel, the circuit board rather, the breaker board in your house. It could be downstairs, and it's usually going to be on the side wall. And what you're going to do is you're going to locate on the circuit board exactly where your kitchen is, and then look for the oven. And then whoever wrote the directions on there, see here, this one says range. So what I do, it's at number 10. So I'd go over here, and you can see there it says 10. And what I want to do is I want to turn it off, and then I want to leave it off for about 3 to 5 minutes, and go back to your oven and make sure that there's no power, and then come back to your circuit board, to your breaker, and then go ahead and turn it back on. This is just a little flip that goes on and off, and that should do a full factory reset. All right, this is very important. Make sure you put in the comment section, what model do you have? Do you have a GE profile? Do you have a standard one like this? What brand or what model GE oven do you have? All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.